Hi, today I will share you the cloth extraction and segmentation method. So here I will show you how you can do extraction of cloths, and further you can use extraction method as segmentation and you can use for further models. So like here you can see there are two folders. So basically I just want to tell you that I am using Google Pro version, but you can also run this code on normal version or on your local terminal. So like there are two folders, one is the input and another one is output. So here you can put all your images in this folder, and uh, like uh, I just want to tell you that before run the code you need to run to the requirements of that model. So there are certain requirements for this particular segmentation and extraction. So these are the dependencies with their version. So like in future if you uh, miss mismatch with this version, so maybe the code will not work properly. So you need to install this dependency with the exact this versions. So like once the installation is like completed from your end, so what you will need to do is you just need to run this python file. So again I just want to inform you that I am using the pro version. So there are certain like plus point using pro version, but you can also run the code from local history. So like once the installation and requirement process is completed from your end, you just need to run this python file with this syntax. So this is the path of my file. You can also go with this directory and directly run as python dot slash with the name of the file and then the rest of the directories. So basically I've made this like file with certain arguments as you can see on my screen. So like I've created with dot slash input directory and dot slash output directory. So all you need to do is to put all your images in this directory and run this program, so it will save the result in the output directory. You can also rename the folder whatever you want, like you can add as per your convenience. So like this is the code file. You can see there are certain multiple dependencies, or like packages of python where you need to install. So again this is the like function of process image, where I have loaded the model of unit. This is the version of unit model, and this is not a version, this is the like I'm creating a model with unit. So like I'm like processing with image with certain parameters, and you can see they I've used transformer and padding services and transform these images with numpy and x certain things. So like once the process image is done, you can define the input directory and output directory, where you can hit multiple images with the certain directories. In the local side, in the end part, you can also see the main, and there are certain arguments I've mentioned in this. So like if you pass incorrect path for the desired directory, so it will revert you with the error like please provide the input directory path. So make sure you will enter the correct input path of that particular image, and rest is the output directory. If like you've not missed to create an output directory, so by default it will create an output directory in the whatever the directory you are in. So like I've installed all the dependencies. Like I've done the requirement.txt, I've rerun with this, so it already says that requirement already satisfied. So the next thing is I am doing is like I'm director and this py file. So it will take within a minute and it will generate an output. So here I will show you the input and the output of the directory. So like this is a random image I have downloaded from the Google, and just for the testing purpose I've used this image, and you can see the resultant image, where the resultant image looks like the cloth extraction from the input image. So further you can use this image in building models for segmentation and for the like the cloth diversions, cloth conversions, etc. You can use this image. So yeah, so if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me or you can mention in the comment box. I will revert you. Thanks.